Hello, proverb for today is if at first you don't succeed, try again. The meaning of this American saying is that always continue to keep trying after an initial failure or setback, since success does not usually occur immediately. Don't let a first-time failure stop further attempts. Example, Jill, I spent all morning trying to fix the computer and it still won't work. Jane, if at first you don't succeed, try again.
If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Thank you for watching.